time for math. Count by Tens by Jerry Pallotta and illustrated by Rob Bolster. One. We are on our way to 100. How can we get there? We are going to count by tens. First, let's count from 1 to 10, one piece of fruit at a time. We are now at the number 1. This helicopter carries 1 strawberry. Delicious. 2. Here we are at the number 2. This boat will take these 2 pineapples across the water. As you count, think of different ways to travel. 1, 2. 3. The next number on our way to 10 is 3. 3 limes are being loaded onto this jet. Hop aboard. So we've had strawberries, pineapples, and limes so far. Climb into the buggy and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 red apples. There are 4 wheels on the buggy. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many legs does a horse have? 1, 2, 3. And there's another one on the other side, so that would make 4. So 4. Lots of things with 4 on that page. 5. Now let's go up, up, and away in this hot air balloon. Float away with 5 bananas. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this says counting is fun. I agree. What number is next? Do you know? I bet you said 6. Okay, what fruit do you think is next? I guess we'll have to turn the page and see. And I wonder what we're going to do next, because we had a hot air balloon, a horse and buggy, an airplane, a boat, and a helicopter. What is left? Let's see. A bus and peaches, I think. Yes. 6. Beep, beep. It's time for school. Don't miss the bus. Look at the 6 peaches and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So cool. And now watermelon. And this is a blimp. A blimp is similar to a hot air balloon, but it is longer and has a bigger carriage part on the bottom. This is your chance to fly in a blimp, count the 7 slices of watermelon, then grab the controls and let's fly. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looks so cool. What fruit is next? Don't know. What number is next? Yes, 8 is next. I wonder what kind of transportation we have next. Let's see. A train, and those are, you're right, raspberries. All aboard, all aboard. Get your tickets. The train is leaving the station. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The raspberries look yummy. Now we have a bike, right? Now we are at the number 9. Start pedaling your bicycle. Don't stop until you reach the number 10. Don't run over the 9 blueberries. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yum. This is a page for berries. And last is 10. Hooray! Cherries! We have counted to 10. We have also taken 10 different forms of transportation. Counting will get you from one number to another. Transportation will get you from one place to another. Do you remember when we learned about transportation? We should have read this book then. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Put the sports car in reverse. Do a review. Count again. This time use Mount Rainier cherries. They're delicious. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We made one group of 10. Oops! Reverse! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. We usually do 0 and then After 10 comes, if you're counting by 20, or tens, it comes 20. Now we are going to count to 100 by tens. When counting by tens, the next number is not 11. This old Model T will take us to 20. Put the orange slices in groups of 10. Count each group by tens. Ready? 10, 20. Grouping makes counting easier. So true. Next is 30. A golf cart is another way to get around. Wait, this is no time for sports. We are learning to count by tens. Grouping these cantaloupe halves by tens makes sense. 10, 20, 30. It's simple. 1, 2, 3, and 10, 20, 30. How cool is that? They've had great forms of transportation and fruit. Yum. 40. Zoom in low and count to 40. Flying in a biplane is faster than walking. Counting by tens is faster than counting by ones. 10, 20, 30, 40. Can you think of other ways to get from one place to another? These 40 Concord grapes will make great grape juice. Ooh, let's see what's next. Wow, a cruise ship. 50. Let's celebrate and take a cruise. 50. We're halfway to 100. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We already made groups shaped like circles, rectangles, and triangles. Here are groups of lemons in 5 straight lines. The shape of each group does not matter. The number of pieces in each group is what is important. Always have to have 10. 60. Taxi, taxi. Take us to the next number. Hop in back. Relax. Let someone else do the driving. But please keep on counting. Each of these 6 groups is made up of 10 kiwi slices. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We are counting green fruit here, but the color does not matter. Remember, the number of pieces in each group is what is important. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. We are getting lots of good practice, aren't we? And now, ooh, a monster truck. 70. And now for some monster tires. A pickup truck is another way to travel. Motor yourself to the number 70. Never give up. Keep on counting. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. There are 7 groups of honeydew melons. You could also say there are 7 sets. After 70 is, you got it, 80. Put on your spacesuit. Take the space shuttle to 80. We are on a mission, counting by tens to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. When you count by tens, you skip all the other numbers in between. Think of other ways to count these grapefruits. We could make groups of 2, groups of 4, groups of 5, or groups of 8. Nana probably sent these grapefruits from Florida. Oh, 90. In freezing snowy weather, a dog sled team is the best way to go. Mush your way to 90. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Count out tangerines to make 9 groups of 10 each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're at 90. Only 10 more pieces of fruit in a group and we will get to 100. I think when they were counting to 10, they were counting them number in one group. Ooh, tangerines are kind of like cuties. So if you like those little oranges, those are so yummy. We are ready for 100. We made it to 100. Counting by tens helped us reach 100 really quickly. It was as if we were speeding in a dragster. Rev up your engine while the tires are screeching. Practice. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We use groups of 10 to count to 100. Grouping and counting apples by tens makes math fun. Hop on this unicycle and count by tens again. This time, do it backwards. 100, 90, 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10, 0. There are 0 people on this page. Wasn't that a fun book? Learning to count by tens, transportation, and fruit? Oh, fun and delicious. So, what coin do we use when we're counting by tens? You are right, it's a dime. So, find all the dimes you have. I found all the big dimes that I have. We're going to count by tens, and then I'll write it on this whiteboard right here, how much money it is. Ready? Count with me. 10 cents, 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents. Make sure they're not stuck together. 50 cents, 60 cents, 70 cents, 80 cents, 90 cents, 100 cents, 110 cents. So we are going to write it right here. 1, 1, 0, and then a cent sign. Another way you could write that would be with a dollar sign, because 100 cents is $1. And then you put a decimal point, and then a 1, and then a 0. So you can say 110 cents or $1.10. Perfect. Count your dimes. See if you can write what number you get.